So this is a model kit review of the P-51D Mustang. It's a 1/72nd scale model by Airfix. And this is the starter set. It includes glue, paintbrush, paints, not those colors, and then the model. Here's some details here about this particular plane, as well as the dimensions. And then there is our diagram with the model. Here's some details here for the finished, well, I guess this is the paint and decal guide. And those are the colors that you get. These are made by, I guess, Humbrol. So let's have a look inside and see what you get with this kit. So first of all, here we've got our glue and paints. Only 4 paints come with it. These are acrylic. Here's a paintbrush. That actually doesn't look too bad. Let's have a look at our sprues. Looks like we've got a couple of pieces that have come off. Have a look inside here. So this is the inside of our cockpit. We do have some nice detail here on the inside of the cockpit. And there's the outside. We've got some recessed panel lines and rivet lines. It's a very nice feature. It's very well molded. We've got part of our spinner, part of our air intake there. Here is a pilot. We've got our stabilizers there, propeller, the other part of the spinner, and then we've also got the actual cockpit here, which includes this part here for the equipment behind the cockpit, and that's the tail wheel section there. Over here, this looks like this is the base for a stand if you want to have it flying. There's our tail wheel. We've got fuel tanks, wheels, our engine exhausts, and then our landing gear. There's the one landing gear wheel well cover. There's the other. It fell off. And looks like that's our seat. And over here we've got our wings with some details here for our wheel well, so that's nice detail. This is the part that's going to hold it up if it's going to be on the stand. And then we've got some recessed panel lines. That's a very nice molding. Over here we've got a canopy, and looks like it is meant to be closed, I guess for flying. We'll have a look now at our instructions. Here are the instructions on how to put on, or how to build a model. Here are our decals. Not very many decals. Maybe not a lot of detail there. Here are the instructions. There's the parts listings there, and let's see here. That's just different languages here. Okay, we're going to start off with building the cockpit and put our pilot in there. It's optional, and we're going to put it all together there with the fuselage. Then we put the fuselage together. Next, we're going to put our wings on, and then our tail, our stabilizer, engine exhausts. Then we've got our landing gear, and wheel well covers. And then we're going to put the landing gear on, or you can have it up, depending on how you want to have it for flying. We put our fuel tanks on and mount those. Last is our propeller and spinner. We've got our radio antenna there. We've got our canopy, and then the propeller unit there. This is if you want to make it flying. So all in all, it's a very nice little starter kit. It's pretty good quality, good molding, and it'll be a fun model to build.